Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of the month. On the first Sunday of the month, it's time I do my free monthly giveaway. I must admit, I feel a lot better this Sunday than I did a month ago. I really do feel a lot better now. Right, let's get on. Let's get the draw done. Unfortunately, last month's draw wasn't claimed, so it's going to be the same prizes for this month's. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons, and see if we can get a winner. Right, hobby engineer 1617. All you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and I'll get all them items in the post here as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to keep on doing giveaways for as long as I've got things to give away, and I've got loads of things to give away. If you want to enter the competition, all you have to do is obviously watch the video, subscribe to my channel, and you need to write a comment. In the comments box, this is what you need to write. 20, 25, give away 6. Just like that. No big letters, no spaces. 20, 25, give away 6. My computer will pick out a winner from that. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. Double boost cap, a set of Cleveland twist drills. These are very good drills from 0.5 to 10 mil. I don't get these given after I buy them, you give them away. There's a little deburring tool there from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Little bottle of anchor lube. If you want to try anchor lube, that's the eBay number to put in to get some. And a lovely little pair of internal calipers. I think they're Starrett. They're really nice. I've got 2 or 3 sets very similar. You can only use one at a time. That is a really nice bit of kit. Once again, just time to say thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Good luck in the draw.